What does it take to become the police chief of one of India's most important states? Is it years spent fighting crime, leading major cities, investigating high-profile cases, or securing India's borders? For Mahesh Kumar Agarwal, the answer is all of the above. A lawyer from Punjab who chose the Indian Police Service, an investigator who worked on complex cases, a police commissioner who managed two major cities, and a senior police officer who later guarded India's borders. His journey is a fascinating story of how diverse experiences can shape a leader. Hello, I'm Bhakti Kothari and you're watching Indian Masterminds. Today, let's take a closer look at the remarkable journey of IPS officer Mahesh Kumar Agarwal, the man who now leads the Tamil Nadu Police as its Director General of Police. Every senior officer has a starting point, and for Mahesh Kumar Agarwal, that story begins in Bathinda, Punjab. Born in 1972, Agarwal chose a path that was rooted in law and public service. He earned a bachelor's degree in law, completed his LLB, and also pursued qualifications in personnel management. At a time when many law graduates would have chosen private practice or corporate careers, he took a different route. He cleared the civil services examination and joined the IPS in the 1994 batch. His cadre allocation? Tamil Nadu, a state hundreds of kilometers away from his home state of Punjab. Little did he know that this would become the place where he would eventually reach the highest ranking in policing. Before becoming a police chief, an officer must understand the realities on the ground. For Agarwal, those lessons came during his tenure as Superintendent of Police in Theni and later in Thoothukudi. These weren't glamorous assignments. They were demanding field postings where officers deal with law and order challenges, crime control, public grievances, and the everyday realities of administration. It was here that he gained first-hand experience of grassroots policing. The kind of experience that cannot be learned from books or training academies. The kind that shapes decision makers. As his career progressed, Agarwal moved on to the most challenging areas of policing: criminal investigations. He served as Deputy Inspector General in the Crime Branch, Criminal Investigation Department, better known as CBCID. Now, CBCID isn't ordinary policing. This is where complex, sensitive, and often high-profile cases land. Investigations that require patience, attention to detail, and the ability to connect dots that aren't always visible. His exposure to investigations expanded even further when he served with the Central Bureau of Investigation. The move brought him into the world of national-level investigations and interstate crime networks, giving him a broader understanding of law enforcement beyond state boundaries. But investigations were only one chapter of his career. Soon came another challenge: urban policing. Agarwal was appointed Commissioner of Police, Madurai. Madurai is not just another city. It is a city of history, culture, religious significance, and large public gatherings. Managing law and order in such an environment requires a careful balance between enforcement and public engagement. And then came an even bigger responsibility: Chennai, one of India's largest metropolitan cities. As Commissioner of Police Chennai, Agarwal found himself overseeing a police force responsible for millions of residents. Crime prevention, traffic management, public safety, intelligence gathering, VIP security, and law and order management all came under his watch. It was a role that placed him constantly in the public eye and tested every aspect of his leadership. With experience in districts, investigations, and city policing, Agarwal continued moving into higher leadership positions. As Additional Director General of Police Operations, he became involved in coordinating policing initiatives across Tamil Nadu. Later as ADGP Crime, he supervised crime monitoring and major investigations throughout the state. These were responsibilities that required not just policing skills, but strategic thinking. His journey also included serving as Director General of Police, Armed Police. In this role, he oversaw reserve forces that became crucial during elections, emergencies, and large-scale law and order situations. By now, his experience covered almost every major dimension of policing. But there was still another chapter waiting. Agarwal's career eventually took him beyond state policing. He moved into the Border Security Force, one of India's most important security organizations. Here he handled key responsibilities related to human rights and also held additional charge of the Eastern Command. His work involved reviewing security preparedness along the India-Bangladesh border, monitoring border infrastructure, and overseeing sensitive security operations. This wasn't just policing anymore, it was national security. The assignment offered him a perspective that very few state police officers ever get: the opportunity to understand security challenges at India's international borders. By the time he returned to Tamil Nadu, Agarwal had built a career that spanned district administration, criminal investigations, metropolitan policing, armed police leadership, and border security. In May 2026, the Tamil Nadu government selected him as the state's Director General of Police and Head of Police Force. It was the culmination of more than 3 decades of service, not because of one defining moment, but because of the sheer range of responsibilities he had successfully handled throughout his career. As DGP, Agarwal has identified 3 major priorities: the fight against narcotics network, stronger action against crimes targeting women, and addressing the rapidly growing challenge of cybercrime. These priorities reflect how policing itself is changing. Today's police forces must deal not only with traditional crime, but also with digital threats, organized criminal networks, and new forms of security challenges. From the fields of Punjab to the highest office in Tamil Nadu Police, Mahesh Kumar Agarwal's journey is a story of experience, adaptability, and leadership built over decades. And today, as he leads one of India's largest police forces, all those experiences come together in a single responsibility: keeping millions of citizens safe in an increasingly complex world. If you enjoyed this story, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more inspiring journeys of India's civil servants and changemakers. I am Bhakti Kothari, and I'll see you again in the next story.